Hey folks, this is the Laughtech Challenge. We've got Snake Charmer behind me here in Burbank, California, and we're giving out cash money to people that complete the challenge. Challenge number 1, give me your best fake laugh.
Always I'm laughing and smiling.
Give me your best impression of what you think Bigfoot would sound like. The best impression of Bigfoot, like how this big hairy ape would sound.
Сен мысалы ойлашы, сенде аяғың үлкен, өзіңнен үлкен. Сондай не берші, аяғың үлкен сияқты, сен жүріп келе жатырғанда ойлайды сен аяғың үлкен деп.
Something like that. What's going on? Bigfoot sounds.
Well, if I laugh, my family is gonna laugh too.
What would it sound like if Bigfoot were to fake laugh? Ah! Ha! 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 How would a female Bigfoot sound while giving birth? Oh, he did the baby too. That's good.
We have a full band. We're like punk, funk, jazz fusion, and we're called Snake Charmer Ensemble. That's facebook.com/Snake Charmer Ensemble. I do have a real drum set. Thank you for asking.
You could catch our big show June 16th at the Make Music Pasadena Street Festival. That's June 16th at 1 o'clock. It's a Saturday.
It's free, great music, free music, good music.